Alright, update on StrongBlock. So we have had probably one of the worst days. No, literally, I take that back. We have had the worst day of selling volume so far that this coin has existed. Now, if we look at this selling volume, we've been having 4 consecutive days of mad selling volume. There's no way that you can chop this to make it look bullish or seem bullish. This is the most selling volume we've ever had. Volume predicts price, and in my opinion, we are about to get ready to fall off the table. So I started making videos for StrongBlock like 3 days ago. Let me pull out my phone. So 3 days ago I made a video saying Strong is on its deathbed. We were round here at 272, and the Strong community was basically trying to throw rocks through my window saying I'm wrong, this coin is bullish, blah blah blah. I said that I was super bearish on this when we were up here at 270. I made a video 2 days ago saying Strong is on life support when we were like touching this 240. Pretty much all the strong people that are emotional investors have left my channel and haven't returned because the videos that I've been making in the past few days for Strong basically get no dislikes. It got like 1 dislike, and I've been getting like maybe 21 likes on the StrongBlock videos. So I do think that people that are left watching my StrongBlock videos are just people who maybe appreciate an unbiased opinion. Do bear in mind, I don't own this coin, I don't own this token, so bear in mind, like, if I just made a video saying that we're going to return to the all-time high, put stupid rocket symbols in, it would get a lot more views and a lot more likes. But I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm not here to tell you bullshit. I'm here to tell you what I see in the market, and right now, from my unbiased perspective, this coin looks like absolute dog shit. So if we do zoom in, once again, 1 day ago I made a video titled Strong Bearish Breakdown. Once again, no one really disliked the video. I think, let me see, I got quite a lot of likes on that, 23 likes and only 1 dislike. So everyone who is pretty much still here watching my Strong videos, fair play to you. I do feel for you if you are in this token or this coin, because it just doesn't look good in my opinion. So like I said, I do think we're about to get ready to fall off the table. In yesterday's video, I said, best case scenario, we probably come up to back test this green line and then fall off the table. We didn't even do that. I mean, the selling volume is absolutely mental. The RSI has lost all its strength. Money flow has completely flowed out of this coin. I mean, it just seems like retail is not touching this, whales are not touching this. I take that back. Some retail traders are buying this, but it is mainly, from what I can see, people that got in all the way back here at 800 and people that got in all the way up here at 1200. So I really feel for you if you are in this token, you are holding and you are at a loss. Best of luck to you. I do hope my analysis is wrong and we do just pump to the moon, but giving you my unbiased opinion, it does not look good. We're falling off the table. We keep falling off the table. We're not showing any strength. I'd be lying if I said we were showing any strength. I mean, we're just falling off the table right now. So yesterday's video, I said I think we're going to be coming down to 163. This was my least bearish target. This was what I actually said was my bullish target for this coin. I said I think we're going to come down, hit 163. If we do have a bounce, we'd need to keep an eye on it, if we do get another rejection from here before we do roll down. So something like that is still on the table. If we do come down to 160 and we pumped 248, or even if we do pump up to 270, which is the breakdown level, I would not be surprised. So we could still see something like a 66% dead cat bounce. Do bear in mind, a 66% dead cat bounce is not too crazy when we would be down, what would it, if we came back to the orange box, we would still be down 77%. So like I said, I don't own this coin, I don't own this token, this coin rather. I don't ever plan on buying this. I said in yesterday's video this coin could go down to like $2, it could go down to 20 cents. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot barge pole. They have moved on, or they are moving on to a new chain, they're moving on to a new token, stronger node. Nothing about this seems good to me. They don't have a white paper, they've only got a light paper. Everything about this seems like a joke to me. So like I said, I think yesterday as well, I also said my my main target that I think would come into fruition would be somewhere around about this $77 to $70 region. I am still sticking with that. I will mark this green. I think if this token or this coin is going to bounce anywhere, it would probably be here, because this is the 2.618. We also have put in a low down here. But yeah, I mean, macro perspective, I drew these fibs. This is actually all the way down to 16, which it doesn't show on the KuCoin chart. I had to go over to CoinGecko, find out where the absolute low was, and it was down here at 16. So I'm literally drawing hopium fibs for you. I'm drawing everything I can to try and make this look bullish. Just to prove to you that, you know, we are below the 618, 786, 618, 786. There's no way that you can draw this to make it look bullish. We're having so much selling volume in. Yesterday I drew like a trend line like this to show, you know, the increase in selling volume, and, you know, we've just blasted through it. So in my opinion, if we don't have a strong bounce, or, you know, let me reword that. So I think we're going to be coming down to 162. There's two scenarios that could happen from there. I either think we're going to have a dead cat bounce up to somewhere like 240, 270, but in my opinion, it really doesn't have the strength to bounce that high. I would be surprised if it bounced to 270. I wouldn't be surprised if it bounced to, you know, 240. At which point, you know, I would expect it to come rolling over, because if we do just look at the general market direction, it is to the downtrend. If I was to flip my tone on this coin in the short term, I would need to see a break above this resistance, which is all the way up here at 350. If we do break this and start turning around, I will flip my tone on it. I will admit that, you know, I was wrong, and that I was wrong about it potentially coming down to 70. But if you look at my videos for the past 3-4 days, I was bearish when we were all the way up here at 270, and we've done nothing but drop like a rock since I started making videos on this. So since I started making videos, we're down, you know, almost 34%. In my opinion, if we do slice through the 1.618 like butter, we would have another drop on the breakdown, approximately anywhere between 50 and 56%. So that's all I see for StrongBlock. I do feel for you if you are in this coin. Best of luck to you. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.